In today's video, we are going to show you how to create an Edpuzzle live session so your students can watch and answer questions in real time. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials and then hover to the left side panel of your dashboard and click the My Classes because this is where all your videos assignments lived. Okay, so all I have to do is select the video that you wanted to create a live session with, especially if you want to be the host. For example, I'm going to be choosing this specific video. Now, on the top corner, you have the option to click the live mode because this will launch the session. Edpuzzle will generate a join code for students if you click the start live mode right here. So the class code needs to be shared with your student. Okay, so that they can enter the code to join instantly. Now, once you are waiting for everyone to start live mode, you can simply click the start button on the top corner. Okay, now just play the button right here to play the video together with your student. Now, as you can see, there could be questions along the way. All I have to do is click the next question, answer it. For example, if it's going to be like a multiple choice question, or like an open-ended question, answer to the best of your ability. If you want to rewatch or skip, you have the ability to do that. Click the continue button, next question, and click the continue. Now, if you want to rewatch the video, again, you can do so by clicking the rewatch. And if you wanted to end the live mode, it's okay. But simply, that's how you create an Edpuzzle live session. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.